Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Unscramble the letters. UNSCRAMBLE Unscramble the LETTERS letters. Unscramble the letters means letters are not arranged in proper sequence. We will have to arrange all letters in proper sequence and then we will make a meaningful word. So, my dear students, one by one I will explain you. So, the first is TORDOC. In this, letters are not arranged in a proper sequence. So, you will have to arrange it and you will have to make a meaningful word. So, my dear student, which word is this? Now, I would like to give you the clue. See, this picture. Who is this? This is doctor. Understood, my dear students? This is the picture of doctor. You know, doctor is our helper. So, the doctor spelling is DOCTOR. Doctor. See, like this you will have to arrange. This is the doctor. 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 A doctor knows how to treat and cure sick people. A doctor is a great friend of the sick. He always speaks politely so that patient feel comfortable. A doctor is a person with the profession to treat and cure sick people. Doctor looks after the sick person and prescribes medicines that give them relief. He is an important person. He gets up early in the morning and goes to his clinic. He works day and night. A doctor is just like a God for the sick patients. So we should be grateful to the doctor. Now I would like to teach you on the next one. Here is UDCK. Now this you will have to arrange it in the proper sequence. So my dear students, this is which picture is this? Tell me. This is duck. Duck spelling. What is the spelling of the duck? Duck spelling is DUCK. Duck. Like this you will have to arrange all the letters in the proper sequence. A duck is a common bird that lives on near water. Ducks have short legs, special webbed feet for swimming and a wide beak. It is a very common bird that has a large flat beak. Now the next is DENERGAR. My dear students, in this also letters are not arranged in the proper sequence and you will have to arrange all the letters in proper sequence and you will have to make a meaningful word. So which word is this? Tell me, my dear students. Now I would like to give you the clue. You can see who is this in this picture? Yes, gardener. Yes. So now what is the spelling of the gardener? GARDENER. Gardener. See, my dear students, like this you will arrange and you will write GARDENER. Gardener. The responsibility of a gardener is to maintain the beauty of plants, outdoor grounds and trees in a garden. Their work include maintenance of garden, designing it, producing renewing and maintain outside spaces. We can find gardener in parks, farms and nurseries. Now the next is CHERTA. In this also you will have to arrange all the letters in the proper sequence. So my dear student, who is she? Tell me. This is the picture of teacher. See what she is doing? She is teaching. So my dear students, teacher spelling is T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Like this, you will have to arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and then you will write T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Teacher is a person who helps children and other person to learn and progress in life. A teacher takes the responsibility of his students. They feel pride and honor to direct their students on right path of the life. So, my dear students, now the next is FLYTTERBU. In this word also the letters are not arranged in the proper sequence. So, you will have to arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and you will have to make a meaningful word. So, which word is this, my dear students? See, this is butterfly. So, what is the spelling of the butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. So, my dear students, these all the letters you will arrange and then you will write B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Butterfly is a very small and beautiful creature. Butterfly is a small creature hovering over flowers. Butterflies occur everywhere. They have the amazing power to identify a place. Butterfly has 4 wings, 4 legs and 2 eyes. The butterfly detects the smell of anything with the help of its antenna. Butterflies suck their juices while sitting on flowers. The group of butterflies is called flutter. Now, I would like to explain you next one. This is DERSPI. So, my dear students, in this word also you will have to arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and then you will have to make a meaningful word. So, which word is this? Tell me, my dear students. See, this is spider. Yes, so my dear students, what is the spelling of the spider? S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. So, you can see, my dear students, like this you will arrange all the letters in the proper sequence and then you will write spider, S-P-I-D-E-R. Spiders are the unique insects that have 8 legs and can spin webs in order to catch the insects or prey. Spiders are one of the few species which can live in every habitat. Spiders can kill millions of prey every year and consume more insects than birds. Spiders have the symbolic meaning in many art and mythology, and they are considered as a symbol of patience and power. Spiders have 4 to 8 pair of eyes, helpful in navigation and hunting. Spiders are found around the world. Most of the spiders make webs But some spiders do not make webs. Most of the spiders are poisonous, and some of the spiders are not poisonous. Now I would like to teach you. Next is OONSP. So, my dear students, this word you will have to arrange in the proper sequence, and then you will have to make a meaningful word. So, what is this? Now, I would like to give you the clue. This is spoon. So, what is the spelling of the spoon? SPOON. Spoon. See, my dear students. Like this, you will arrange these all the letters, and then you will write SPOON, spoon. A spoon is a utensil consisting of a small shallow bowl, oval or round, at the end of a handle. Spoons are also used in food preparation to measure, mix, stir, and serving food. There are a wide variety of spoons, these that are made of variety of materials. It is also used for eating liquid or semi-liquid food which cannot be lifted easily. Now the next is MERFAR. These all the letters you will have to arrange in the proper sequence, and then you will have to make a meaningful word. So which word is this, my dear? Yes, you can see FARMER, farmer. See, my dear students? Yes, like this you will arrange all the letters, and then you will write FARMER, farmer. A farmer is an important person for every country. They grow crops in the field. Farmer leads a very simple life. Every day they work hard. I respect all the farmer. They wake up early in the morning and work hard all day. Sunshine and heavy rain cannot stop them. We get all the fresh vegetables and other crops from our farmer. Farmer is the heart of our country. They grow crops and supply for our country. Farmer is essential for human survival. So, my dear students, like this, you will also complete unscramble the letters at home. Thank you.